In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media post with Genspark's AI. First, open Genspark and head to either AI Designer or AI Image. AI Designer is great when you want a full post layout with text and graphics working together, while AI Image focuses on generating strong visuals you can pair with your own copy. Pick the one that fits your goal, and you'll land on a clean workspace ready to go. Next, start a new design project specifically for social media content. Framing it this way helps you get the right canvas and tools from the start. If you know the platform you're posting to, aim for the usual sizes as you set up the project, like square for feeds or vertical for stories. Naming your project clearly will also save time later. Now, enter a clear, detailed prompt describing the post you want to create. Be specific about the platform, audience, tone, and outcome. Mention any colors, themes, or brand adjectives you care about. For example, you might say you want a bold, modern post promoting a weekend offer with bright, high contrast colors, concise headline text, and space for a short call to action. The more context you give, the more accurate the results. Let Genspark generate graphics or post ideas for you. In a moment, you'll see options come to life. Preview them and take a breath here. This is where you evaluate what resonates. Look for strong hierarchy, clear contrast, and on-brand vibes. Choose the design you like best based on clarity and impact. Ask yourself whether the headline reads at a glance, if the imagery supports your message, and whether it fits the norms of the platform where you'll publish. If a design feels close but not perfect, that's fine. You'll refine it next. Edit the text, style, or layout to match your brand. Swap in your preferred fonts and colors. Adjust spacing so nothing feels cramped. And replace placeholder copy with your exact headline, call to action, and any key details like dates or links. Keep readability front and center. Use legible sizes, maintain clean margins, and keep contrast high. If you add hashtags or a short caption inside the design, make sure it complements rather than competes with the main message. Finally, download the finished social media post and publish it. Choose the right format and resolution, PNG or JPG for images, MP4 for motion, so it looks crisp on your platform. When you post, pair it with a concise caption and add alt text for accessibility. That's it. Your AI-assisted social post is ready to make an impact.